Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So today we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner for the week of May 15th through the 21st. Let me pop that out. And yes, my planner is so chunky, you guys. It is so chunky, but I can't help it. So it is what it is. So this was last week, or part of it. It was a graduation spread. And this week, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a spring twist. So I printed some stickers. They're these beautiful little fences with flowers in them. So I'm going to be using that. But before I do, I'm going to go ahead and use checklist boxes and so on. So for my checklist, I'm choosing them to be black, because I think the flowers and everything else will make it stand out. As always, I'm just going to transfer them to my hand. Also, welcome to my channel. I decorate all of my planners. So I have 4 planners that I decorate with you guys every single week, and I'm so glad you're here. Okay, so let's place the checklist. I think I want them right in the middle. I think that's going to be a fun way of doing that. I'm going to remove this because I would like it straight. Let's see if we can make it happen. Okay, so here we go. Okay, perfect. Yep, that's good too. Okay, and then this side as well. And then I'm gonna start with some layering. So as you guys know, I love my checklists and I love making sure that I have enough of these to write in, because my weeks are busy and I tend to write a lot in this, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Okay, so checklists are done. I need some boxes. So I'm just gonna take a sheet of sticker paper and pull the boxes that I need. So I know I need 4 of these. Then I'll do like 2 of these, maybe 3 actually. Let me go back. So we'll do 3 of this size. I love this black book of boxes, by the way. If you don't have one, it's like a staple in my world. It does help me plan quite a bit. And then I'll do like 1 big one. And of course, I need something for the sidebar. So let's see. So these are full, these are journaling, which I love. Okay, I'm gonna do one of these, which is lined. It's easier for me to write on these. Okay, so I'm gonna place this one in right away. Actually covering this spot. Okay, I think that works. This will be my general to-do list, and then the check marks are going to be, the checklists are going to be like a more detailed to-do list. So I'm gonna start pulling the actual decoration here. Let me move this planner. You guys, it is so chunky, but I love it. Okay. So, all of these lovely gardens, I'm gonna grab a couple as well. And maybe even stick them like up here. Let's see. Oh, this one's super cool. Okay. I really like that. This one, let's place it down here. Okay, and for now I'm gonna start placing these and then boxes. So I'm gonna put this one right here. And then I'm gonna put a box on top of it. Like so. Okay. So that's for Sunday. Friday I'm gonna place it right here. Obviously I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these. I need for my work. Let me see if I place it like this, how will it look? Doesn't look bad. It doesn't look great, but it doesn't look bad. Let's see. Let's see. What if I did it like this? That works. Okay. Now, this one I have to play with just slightly. So these little ones are for my work schedule. Like up here, I write how long I worked because I like to keep track of my hours. Okay. This one I'm kind of obsessed with. I think it's gonna go like right here. Let's see. Yeah, I think that works. I have quite a few more boxes to add, but before I do, I want to add these lovely fences with the gardens. I think I'm gonna add that one as well. Maybe I can do that like right here. Let's see. That might work. And then I can put a box in between. As long as I do it straight. So let's pick this up. Maybe I can do that. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that looks okay. And then another box. Like right here. That works. But before I put it, maybe I can put another little garden, like a small one. Let's see. And then put this on top. Okay, yeah, that looks better. Now let's work on this side, and then I'm gonna add maybe like small details here and there. I don't know yet. Okay, what do I want? I want like a really pretty one, pretty big up here. So let's find one that I really like. Oh, maybe this one. Okay. I think that's gonna work. And then we need to add a box for Saturday. So it's gonna go right here. And a box for Thursday. That can go right here. And then I still need to do something about this. So let's see. Oh, I know what I want to add. I'm going to add that one. Give me 1 second. Let's add this one to Sunday. I think it's great. It's like climbing up. And I'm going to add a couple more boxes. And then I'm going to take this one with the yellow, cut it, and put it right here. Okay. I think that works. And then, like I said, a few more boxes. So we'll do that. And then I should be maybe okay. So I want to add maybe another box right here, but I'm going to overlap it slightly. I'm going to do this size up here. Again, overlap it. And then I'm going to see if I can lift this and add this right here. Oh. Okay. Not quite. Still not working quite the way I want it. Okay. Let's do it right here. And place it down. Perfect. Yeah. I wanted this like overlapping effect. I'm going to fix this one because it's crooked. I'm going to lift it up just slightly. Okay. And then like that. And I think I am good, you guys. I think I'm going to leave this be the way it is. Let me know what do you guys think about this little fenced gardens that I made. I think it's pretty adorable. I think it'll be so much prettier when I write in it. Let me know what you think. This is what this week looks like so far. So let me know what you think about that one too. And I'll see you guys very soon for another video. Bye.